Hello and welcome. Are you interested in foam resins for water stop, cavity filling or stabilizing loose rock and gravel? We have developed various types of foam for you, each of which has particular advantages and is suitable for a specific application. And now I would like to introduce them to you briefly. Let's start with the one-component systems, the classic. Hydroblock 510 is a water stop foam for stopping fast-flowing water. In the standard setting, it is firm and stable. But as we know that many of you also want flexible foams, therefore you can adjust the degree of flexibility yourself. Alternatively, you can of course choose between the preset types hard, medium and very flexible. It is entirely up to you. Like its big brother, the ready-to-use integral foam 510 is a one-component injection foam, with the difference that it is ready to use without mixing. A typical integral product ready to use with maximum sealing comfort. The self-starter is a hydroactive foam, Hydroblock 620 integral. You inject until point A. From there it spreads to the point B in the structure within 45 minutes and ejects itself. We have taken care to ensure that fine pores and cracks are filled and securely sealed, and you do not have to do re-injection. This foam is not a water stop foam, but a force-fit sealant. Now we come to the two-component systems. The fast two-component classic, fast, hard and perfect for stopping water, consolidation and stabilization injections. The name? Hydroblock 516. We have made sure that the foam keeps its shape. It does not shrink. The high strengths make it perfect for bonding loose rock and gravel. The cozy two-component foam Hydroblock 516P fills floating pontons and large voids. We've made sure that the ponton foam doesn't absorb water, so the floats stay afloat, even if the shell is damaged by corrosion. The next foam is something very special. It combines several properties in one unusual product. The swell foam Hydroblock 515 is a combination of a very close-celled, very elastic two-component foam and a well-known ARCAN swell effect. The volume increase takes place in two steps. Step number 1 is the classic foaming and step number 2 is the swelling. This compensates for changes in the joint's cross-section and then seals it. If this convinces you, use Hydroblock foam resins for your sealing work in the future. My team and I look forward to meeting up with you. My name is Michaela Müller-Kaja.